Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. It's sad to see Uvelepi going through the most. Ugirl is going through the most and she's seeking attention in the wrong way. Ugirl is regretting not answering her mother's calls because if she had answered her mother's calls, she would have known how sick her mother is. At this point, the family is doing the most, they are going through the most. Umalume naye ngapha he's struggling to accept ukuthi his sister is no more. Worst part, he is saying he does not have money or anything to give these kids abakasiswakhe. Now, yes, they might be old and one of them might be employed, but at this point they still need a mom. So Ukanje is drinking himself to whatever and he is making sure Uguti he's dancing like there's no tomorrow. But that is a way of him trying to run away from the pain that is already with him. Unfortunately or fortunately for him, Usamke no mama kapetheni, they intervened to say, Yazin, angeke ilungele nto. Yes, we understand you said, yes, we understand this and that. However, you need to mourn properly for your sister. In an event where you don't do that, you are going to regret it for the rest of your life because there will be no other period where you'll be able to mourn for your sister. I vele decide vele ukuthi avume uzohamba aye laphayana kambambo ayozila, right? Sharp. With that said, angisho ukwenza bamxoshile uqosho uSibongile because of uSibongile uneyimutsi zakhe angazi ukwenza uhlalamele yena, but nonetheless ababakhamqele-ke ukuthi yazini uSangweni udinga usizo, can not go ezinye indawo ayi-1 ngoba ushonelwe. So if ukhona ukwenzo around, sicela ukuthi nje ahlale noSangweni, a-entertain uSangweni, akhulume nje noSangweni, and then nabangani bakaSangweni nikhulumeni nabo ukuthi they must be around him kanje during this difficult time. uSangweni-ke yena decide ukulanda uSamke, atshela uSamke where to get off ukuthi washona umama, wamthathela indoda, wamthathela indawo yakhe, wamthathela everything. Now you want to take the last precious thing that she has, and that's her body. Why did you feel the need to go to the mortuary and wash the body? Nje kube yinyinzi isiphithiphithi. So uSangweni naye is going through the most. Hayi-ke vele uSibongile wenza lezi adume ngazo, ukukhuleka. Ugelo uyakhuleka left, right and center nje, umkhuleko unamandla uye nje. uSibongile azabonga ubabakhe ukuthi yaze ngiyabonga ngoba at least kule family sithwale umkhuleko wakho. Ngale-ke kaDlamini, hayi shem abone ugele lo ukuthi hayi izinto azihambi kahle, shem abone ukuthi yo la isimo sibucayi, ubabami akangiforgive, ubhuti wami cannot even come and eat with us, so therefore I need to do something. And that something was for her to tell the truth ukuthi what was her role. Yes, usasuspendiwe uThemba, but naye uGellings ususpendiwe manje. Into ekhulunywayo nje ukuthi lo uzobuyela ku-soccer team, but we are not yet sure ukuthi i-suspension yakhe izoba lifted because he was still suspended, even though they know the truth ukuthi he did not consume alcohol because he wanted to. He consumed alcohol because it was poured for him in his juice and he could not understand or could not taste it. That's why he was acting up. So when he was told ukuthi bonga usisi wakho wathi abhreka, ngimbonga kanjani ukuthi uyongifake kule nkinga, ngathi yes wena Themba, yes Mthembisto.